skiers and riders, it's Michaela with your Thursday, January 2nd, 2020 Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. Today is shaping up to be a beautiful day. The sun is shining bright, bringing us temps between 41 and 32 degrees with some light winds. We have 25 fun trails ready to be carved up, serviced by 6 lifts around the mountain. Base steps are ranging from 45 to 55 inches, and we're ready to see your tricks in our freestyle park on Hitchcock Trail.
Hey everybody, go check out the snow reports for all of New England. Mount Wachusett's got the biggest base of anybody.
Wachusett looks absolutely stunning today. You could say it's a picture-perfect day. The trees are holding on to icicles around their branches, and the snow is groomed twice each day. Come enjoy the views, food, and events with your fellow skiers and riders. This is a 2020 vision you don't want to miss out on. Come join us later today for the NASTAR Open House and Warm-Up Race. This is a free event open to those who would like to try out racing. Also coming up this weekend, January 4th to the 5th, is the USA Luge Challenge. Come try out a fun new winter sport and learn with the pros. Check out our events calendar for more details. Hours of operation have now returned to 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. until further notice. Happy 2020 to all. I hope you keep with your New Year's resolutions by staying active out on the slopes. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to these tape reports or check us out at wachusett.com for all the latest. And as always, I will ski you on the slopes.